So you will also see that there's this flashcards that's here. So I know different families use different things, but I use the notations flashcard for my challenge A student, and our director also recommended that. So it's just like our multiplication flashcards that we use in foundations. So you have a particular notation, and then the answer to that is at the back over here. So when you show this to your student, they're only able to see this, but the answer to this is at the back over here, which you can see, right? So you have all these notation flashcards. This is the grammar essentially of the map. So recitation and memorization, repeat to make these symbols and these notations familiar to your kids. They're not intimidated by these signs and these notations. It's I will say my daughter was intimidated in the beginning. She was like, how am I going to memorize all of this stuff? But it comes with repetition, right? So just like, even if you're not able to do all of the flashcards, just maybe choose 5 or 6 and then just do it for that week, and then add a few more the next week and try to see if you can remember. And so there's no pressure to perform. It's just like the more you see something, the more it becomes familiar to you, which is essentially the grammar stage of our trivium, recitation, memorization, and repetition. So it's just memorizing and repeating, and then towards the end of the year, you'll be amazed how much they remember of this, right? So that's the flashcard. So sometimes I haven't been able to sit with her, and then she just tries to do it on her own. She says, okay, this is lambda, and then she checks, and then she says, yes, it's lambda. Okay, I got this right. And then if suppose I didn't get this, I didn't know what this was, I put it in a pile which I don't know, and then if I get this, it goes to the known pile and the unknown pile. And so at the end of it, she picks up the unknown pile and tries to go through it, so she gets it right. So this is just a 5-minute or less than that exercise. No need to spend too much time on it. It just really helps with the fluency and the grammar, right? So those are the flashcards. And then